Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MedCare by Academically, where we unlock global career opportunities for physiotherapists. Today we are diving into a highly requested topic, how to become a physiotherapist in the United Kingdom. First thing first, there are two ways to get a physiotherapy job in the UK. One by completing studies there and the other by registering after your BPT. So whether you are planning to study in the UK or you have already completed your Bachelor of Physiotherapy BPT in another country, I will walk you through two clear pathways to start your physio career in the UK. Let's start with the first and most straightforward pathway, studying physiotherapy in the UK. You need to enroll in your preferred university or program and begin studies in the UK with the end goal by registering and getting a job there. Here are the steps involved. Step number 1, choose the right program. You will need to enroll in an HCPC approved BSc Honours Physiotherapy or MSc pre-registration physiotherapy program. These programs usually take 3 to 4 years for undergraduates and 2 years for postgraduates. Step 2, apply through UCAS. Use the UCAS platform to apply to universities like King's College London, University of Nottingham or University of Birmingham, all top picks for physiotherapy. Step number 3 we have is student visa. Once accepted, apply for a student visa Tier 4 to study in the UK. Step 4, register with HCPC. After completing your degree, you can directly apply for registration with the Health and Care Professions Council HCPC, which is mandatory to practice as a physiotherapist in the United Kingdom. Once you are HCPC registered, you can work in the NHS, private clinics, sports teams and more. Now let's talk about the second pathway for those of you who have already completed your BPT, Bachelor's of Physiotherapy, from outside the UK. By following these steps, you can still make your way into the UK healthcare system. Step 1, check HCPC requirements. Visit the HCPC website and look for the International Applications section. They assess your education, clinical placements and English language proficiency. Step 2, submit an HCPC application. You will need to prepare your documents like your degree certificate, detailed transcript, clinical experience hours, IELTS or OET score if required, proof of identity and professional references. Step number 3, wait for evaluation. The assessment usually takes 60 to 90 working days. In some cases, HCPC might ask you to undergo a test of competence or complete a period of adaptation if there is a gap between your training and UK standards. Step number 4, registration approval. Once approved, you will receive your HCPC registration number and you can now legally work as a physiotherapist in the United Kingdom. Now, here is a quick tip. If you are from countries like New Zealand, Australia, Canada or parts of the EU, your physiotherapy qualifications may be eligible for direct registration with the HCPC with minimal paperwork and no additional exams. That's because their physiotherapy training closely matches UK standard. So whether you want to study in the UK or use your existing BPT degree to register through HCPC, both paths are valid and achievable. No matter what you choose, Academically can help you fulfill your dream of registering in the UK. With Academically, you can complete the HCPC registration process if you are already an overseas trained physiotherapist, and with EduCafic, you can enroll into the best physiotherapy programs which can lead you to licensure in the UK. After choosing your preferred pathway, get in touch with Academically's experts and we will help you in ways unimaginable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow physio friends and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for career guidance for healthcare physiotherapists. And drop your questions in the comments below. We will try to answer as many as we can. Thank you for watching this video. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.